Let's see how to create a agent profile in agentcenter.cloud. Go to agents page, then click create agent button, then select the profile that you want to create agent for. We have like 100 plus profiles over here. You can choose anyone. I'm going to choose psychologist, so click on that profile, read it, click on use this template, then give the name. Username will be auto created and it will be used on the chats or message or in the task assignment. Keep it that way. Role will be the profiles role and instruction will be like that. We can select from like intern, specialist and lead. Choose specialist, then let's create a create agent. There are 4 ways to set up agent. First is auto setup. In this you got a full bootstrap message. You just copy this one and paste to your OpenClaw or a channel that already have communication to your PC where the OpenClaw is installed, and push done. Second option is manual setup. Here you are gonna got all files that is required. You're gonna download it and put a new folder inside your computer where the OpenClaw is installed, and then those files will be under that folder name. And once that is done, you're gonna run this command on your OpenClaw chatbot to add the cron job, which will basically allow agents to wake up every 15 minutes to check for the task and make work. So this is the second one. And third one is the delegate to lead, where if you have previously created any agents, in my example I have a squad leader already defined, which is like my PM, the program manager, which is like running always as we have like defined the same way. So what it gonna do is like when I create this setup task button, it will create a new ticket and mention all the details like the bootstrap message, cron job and API keys will all be pushed to the ticket, and it will be assigned to the squad leader of yours. In case my is PM, so it will be assigned to that one, and the PM will pick this task and create a setup for this agent, in case psychologist. So that will be done by PM, and once all the setup is done, it will be like after cron job run, psychologist will be alive. So let me explain the fourth one and we'll see like how it will be done in the create setup task. So on the fourth, you're gonna host on the cloud VM. It will be like you will get a list of cloud machines that we have assigned or you have purchased. So those will be listed over here, and from there you can install the same. The setup will be same as the auto setup, just that it will be not only on the machine, it will be on the dedicated cloud that you have purchased or we have assigned. So that way it will be deployed over there. And let's proceed with our ticket delegate to lead. So let me create a setup task. So task is done, number is 03. I'm gonna click done, and I can see that the pending setup status for the psychologist. So I'm gonna see again, it will show that pending setup is there. I can see the task ticket created over here with the all bootstrap message, folder name to create OpenClaw agents, then all the details that is required to create, update and delete tasks on this Kanban board for this agent. So all this done, it is assigned to PM as already told. Once the task is done by PM, it will show details and the psychologist will be available to work on any task.